All right, so with that out of the way, let's just go ahead and start. So I've already created a new project folder. I called it API tutorial, and I put it in my development folder. So let's go ahead and open that back up. You can see there's nothing here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our requirements.txt file. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so in our requirements.txt file, what packages are we going to need? So for this framework, all I see us needing is the PyTest framework, the PyTest HTML package, and the request library, and then maybe we could also do the PyTest XDist library, which is a library that allows you to run all of your PyTest tests multi-threaded, so they could all run at once, rather than doing one at a time, which can take some time depending on your test complexity and how many steps you got in there and whatnot. So let's go ahead and fill this requirements file out. So let's go ahead and import PyTest. And best practices along with this, just to keep that up with, I actually have this on my other screen right now, but I'm looking up on pypy.org for the latest version number of these packages. It's best to set the version number that you want and keep it set that way, because when these packages, when they update, they could all break and cause each other not to work. So it's best to set your version number to what you want it to be. And if you ever need to update it, you can easily just change this version number here. So with that said, let's go ahead and fill this out real quick. We're going to get PyTest HTML at version 4.1.1. We're going to get requests at 2.31.31.0. And the last one we're going to get is PyTest XDist. And that is at 350. All right. So these are all the packages that we should need for this entire framework. Most of the other stuff we're just going to be using built-in tools from Python. So we'll go ahead and wrap this file up and go to the next one.